How can I remove the top and right axis in Matplotlib? Instead of the default box axis style, I want to have only the left and bottom axis, i.e. This should be easy, but I can't find the necessary options in the docs.
Edit, Matplotlib in now, 2013-10, you on version 1.3.0 which includes this. That ability was actually just added, and you need the Subversion version for it. You can see the example code here. I am just updating to say that there's a better example online now. Still need the Subversion version though, there hasn't been a release with this yet. Edit, Matplotlib 0.99.0 RC1 was just released, and includes this capability.
Alternatively, this seems to achieve the same effect on an axis without losing rotated label support. Matplotlib 1.0.1, solution inspired by this.
This is the suggested Matplotlib 3 solution from the official website here.
This is more of an extension comment in addition to the comprehensive answers here. Note that we can hide each of these three elements independently of each other. To hide the border, aka spine, ax.set_frame_on, false, or ax.spines, top.set_visible, false. To hide the ticks, ax.tick_params, top equals false. To hide the labels, ax.tick_params, label top equals false.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.